Hello everyone, Monisha here. A warm welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering question 3 of exercise 1.3 in arithmetic progression. In this session, there are 10 sub-questions in question number 3. So please stay till the end so that you can clearly understand how to do all the problems. Okay, let us start the session. This is the first question of exercise 1.3. Here, the first term A is given. A is equal to 5, common difference D is equal to 3, Tn is equal to 50. We need to find n, that is the number of terms, and sum of the n term. Okay. So moving on to the solution part. First we need to write Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, because we need to find the n, number of terms. Okay. Here Tn is given, that is 50, is equal to A is 5 plus n we need to find out, and D is 3. First I will shift this plus 5 to left hand side. It will become minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. 50 minus 5 is 45 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. Next, this into 3, if we shift it to left hand side, it will become divided by. So 45 divided by 3 is equal to n minus 1. So here 3 ones are 3, 1 will be carry, 3 5s are 15. Okay. So 15 is equal to n minus 1. In the next step, I will shift minus 1 to left hand side, it will become plus 1. So n is equal to, the number of terms is equal to 16. So this is the value for n is equal to 16. So next we need to find out Sn, that is sum of n terms. Sn formula is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So in the place of n, we need to write 16, which we have already find out. So 16 by 2, 2 into a is 5 plus n is 16 minus 1 and D is 3. So here 2 ones are 2 8s are. So 8 into 2 5s are 10 plus 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 into 3. So 8 into 10 plus 15 3s are 45. So next 45 plus 10 is 55. Next we need to multiply 55 into 8. So here 8 5s are 40, 4 will be carry here. So 8 5s are 40 plus 4, 44. So sum of 16 terms, S16 is equal to 440. So we get the values of n and Sn. Okay, n is equal to 16 and S16 is equal to 440. Hope you understood this problem. Moving on to the second question. In the second question, they have given A is equal to 7, T13 is equal to 35, D and S13 we need to find out. Okay. So here A is given. So A is equal to 7. Here T13 is equal to 35. If they have given T13, then this n will becomes 13. Okay. So next we need to find out D and S13. D and S13 we need to find out. Okay. So first we need to apply Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here instead of Tn we need to write T13. So T13 is equal to A. First term is 7 plus n is 13. 13 minus 1. So D we need to find out. So write D as it is. So the value for T13 is 35. So substitute 35 in the place of T13 plus 7 plus 13 minus 1 is 12, 12D. Okay. Next I will shift 7 to left hand side. So 35 minus 7 is equal to 12D. So 35 minus 7 is 15 minus 7 is 8 and the remaining will be 2. So 28 is equal to 12D. So next, this is 12 into D. If I shift 12 to left hand side, it will become division form. So 28 divided by 12 is equal to D. We need to find a number which will divide both the numbers in a single table. That is 4 table. That is 4 7s are 28 and 4 3s are 12. Right? So D is equal to 7 divided by 3. So this is the value for common difference. So next we need to find out S13. So we will apply Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So here we need to find out S13. So substitute 13 in the place of n. So 2 into a is 7 plus n is 13 minus 1 and D is 7 by 3. So 13 divided by 2. So 7 2s are 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. So write 13 by 2 as it is, since 13 is not divisible by 2. So write 14 plus 7 4s are 28. So 13 divided by 2 into, so 28 plus 14, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 carry, so 2, 3, 4. So this is 42. Next, you divide 42 by 2, that is 2 1s are 2 21s are. So here we need to multiply 13 into 21. Okay, so 13 into 21 is 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So this is 273. So the value for S13 is 273. So hence we got the value for common difference and sum of 13 terms. So this is the way to do this problem. So moving on to the third problem. Here T12 is given as 37. D is equal to 3. We need to find out the first term and the sum of the 12 terms in AP. Okay. So since they have given T12, so we get N is equal to 12 and common difference D is equal to 3. T12 is equal to 37. Okay. We need to find first term and S12. First we need to apply Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So instead of Tn we need to write T12. So A we need to find out, so write as it is. N is 12, so 12 minus 1 and D is given as 3. Okay, the value for T12 is 37. So substitute it. 37 is equal to A plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into 3. So 37 is equal to A plus 11 3s are 33. Next shift 33 to left hand side. So it will become minus 33 is equal to A. So A is equal to 37 minus 33 is 4. So the first term is 4. So next what we have to do, we need to calculate S12. So that we need to apply Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is 12. So write it as S12 is equal to 12 by 2. 2 into A we have already found out, that is 4 plus n is 12 minus 1 into D is 3. So here 2 1s are 2, 6 are. So 6 into 2 4s are 8 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into 3. So 6 into 8 plus 11 3s are 33. So 6 into 33 plus 8 is 41. So 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Okay. So the value for S12 is 246. So this is the easier problem. Hope you understood this. Moving on to the fourth problem. Here T3, the third term is given as 15. S10, the sum of 10 terms is given as 125. We need to find out D, common difference, and 10th term. Okay. So first we need to expand these two equations. That is, first write down Tn formula. So the first one is T3 is equal to 15. So we need to use Tn formula here. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Expand this into this form. So T3 is equal to A is not given. So write as it is. N is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 into D. Okay. The value of T3 is 15. So 15 is equal to A plus 2D. So let it be first equation. Okay. So this is first equation, and write out the second information which they have given, that is S10. S10 is equal to 125. Since they have given S, we need to apply Sn formula here. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute this S10 into this equation. So it will become S10 is equal to n is 10. So 10 by 2. 2 into a is not given. So write as it is 2a. N is 10. So 10 minus 1. D is not given. So write D as it is. Here 2 ones are 2 5s are. Okay. The value of S10 is 125. So 125 is equal to 5 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 is 9d. So here in the next step, write 125 divided by 5. Since if it goes to left hand side, it will become divided by is equal to 2a plus 9d. Here 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Okay. So this equation will become 25 is equal to 2a plus 9d. Okay. So this is equation number 2. So once we get two equations, we need to solve that. So solve equation 1 and 2. Okay. So write the equation, that is a plus 2d is equal to 15, and the second equation is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. So here we need to notice a fact. In order to solve this, at least one of the terms should be equal. Either a term should be equal or d term should be equal. Here a and d both differs. So we need to make the equation such that one has to become equal to each other. So for that, I will multiply the first equation into 2. Okay, I will multiply the whole first equation into 2. If I multiply it, it will become 2 into a, 2a. So that this a term will become equals to each other. Okay. So multiply it. 2 into a is 2a plus 2 into 2d is 4d is equal to 2 into 15 is 30. Okay. And write the second equation as it is. That is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. So after writing this, we need to change the sign. So when we change the sign, the first term, that is the a term, get cancels with each other because it will become plus into minus minus. So plus 2a and minus 2a get cancels each other. So in the next one, plus into minus is minus. So 9d minus 4d is 5d, where the larger number has a sign negative. So retain that negative sign. Next one is 30 minus 25 is 5. The larger number is 30. It has positive sign and let it be plus itself. Okay. Next, d is equal to 5 divided by minus 5. So 5 ones are. Since minus sign is there, we have to retain it. So common difference d is equal to minus 1. Fine. So after getting common difference, we need to solve for a, since a first term is not given. Okay. So for that, you take either first equation or second equation. So here I am taking equation 1. Okay. So equation 1 is 15 is equal to a plus 2d. So in that I will substitute the value of d. A plus 2 into d value is minus 1. So 15 is equal to a. So plus into minus, minus 2 ones are 2. In the next step, I will shift this minus 2 to left hand side. So 15 plus 2 is equal to a. So the value for first term a is 17. Okay. So we got the value for first term and common difference. But they have asked to find out T10. Okay. So term 10. So that we need to apply Tn formula once again. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In that, write T10 is equal to A value is 17. Here n is 10. So 10 minus 1 and D is minus 1. Okay. So T10 is equal to 17 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into minus 1. T10 is equal to 17 plus into minus, write 9 as it is, 9 ones are 9. So T10, 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay, so the value for T10 is 8. Hope you understood this problem. Moving on to the fifth problem. Here D is given, the common difference is 5. S9, the sum of 9 terms is 75. We need to find first term A and ninth term. Okay, so since S9 is given here, we need to apply Sn formula directly. Okay, so Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So while doing problem, you need to know what are the informations they have given. So according to that, you have to change the formulas. Okay, so instead of Sn, we need to write S9 is equal to, n is 9 here, 9 by 2. 2 into A is not given, so write as it is. N is 9, 9 minus 1 and D is 5. Okay, so the value for S9 is 75. So 75 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2A plus 9 minus 1 is 8 into 5. So 75 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2A plus 40. Okay, so 75 is equal to 9 by 2. Here you can see 2A and 40 is there. So both the numbers are divisible by one single number itself, that is 2. So we can take 2 common here. So when we take 2 common, here the remaining will be A. When I take 2 common from here, 2 20s are 40. So write 20 here. Okay. Next here, this 2 and this 2 cancels each other. So the remaining will be 75 is equal to 9 into A plus 20. So in the next step, you take this 9 to left hand side. So it will become divided by. So 75 by 9 is equal to A plus 20. So here 3 3s are 3 2s are 6, 1 carry. So 3 5s are 15. Okay. So we got 25 by 3 is equal to A plus 20. Now we can shift this plus 20 to left hand side. So 25 by 3 minus 20 is equal to A. Here the LCM is 3. When LCM and denominator are same, we need to retain the numerator as it is. So next it will become, so 3 2s are 6, that is 60 is equal to A. So it will become, so 60 minus 25 is minus 35 by 3. Okay, so 60 minus 25 is 35. The larger number is 60, so we should write the negative sign as it is and divided by 3. So the value for first term A is minus 35 by 3. Okay, now we need to find out the value for T9. So we need to apply Tn formula here. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So instead of Tn, we need to write T9 is equal to, the value for A is minus 35 by 3, which we already found out. Next, n value is 9 minus 1 and D is 5. Okay, so T9 is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1 is 8 into 5. So T9 is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 8 5s are 40. So next here the LCM will be 3. So denominator and LCM are same. So we need to retain the first numerator. Next 4 3s are 12. So 3 into 40 is 120. So when we subtract 120 minus 35, it will become 85. divide by 3. Okay, so you can subtract here. So we can take carry. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So 11 minus 3 is 8. So 85 by 3. Okay, so this is the value for T9 and A. Moving on to the sixth problem. In sixth problem, they have given first term A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. We need to find number of terms n and Tn. Okay, since in the information section they have given Sn, we need to write Sn formula. So Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So the value for Sn itself is 90. So we can substitute 90 in the place of Sn. N value is not given. So write as it is. Next 2 into a is 2 plus n we need to write as it is, and d is 8. Okay. Next 90 is equal to n by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus we need to multiply the whole term n minus 1 with 8. So 8 into n is 8n minus 8 1s are 8. Fine. Next 90 is equal to n by 2. Next we can see here with 4 we can divide all the 3 terms, right? So I am taking 4 as common here. So we will get 1 plus 4 2s are 8. So 2n minus 4 2s are 8. Okay. So when I take 4 as common here, 4 1s are 4. So 1 here. 4 2s are 8. So 2n, and 4 2s are 8. Therefore 2. Okay. So here 2 1s are 2 2s are. So write 90 is equal to n into 2 into here minus 2 plus 1. Here it is a variable. So we just separate it once again. So minus 2 and 1 is minus 1 plus 2n. Okay. So next the equation will become n into 2 is 2n into minus 1 plus 2n. Okay. So next we need to multiply 2n into minus 1. So 2n into minus 1 is minus 2n plus next 2n into 2n is 4n square. That is 2 into 2 4, n into n is n square. Okay. Next we need to write it in a equation form. So write 4n square as it is. 4n square minus 2n. Next we shift 90 to right hand side. It will become minus 90 is equal to 0. Okay. Next we need to check whether all the 3 numbers are divisible by a single digit itself. Which one is that? That is 2. Okay. All the 3 numbers are divisible by 2. So write divide throughout by 2. So when we divide it, we will get, see here, 4n square divide by 2 minus 2n divide by 2 minus 90 divide by 2 is equal to 0. So 2 1s are 2 2s are, here 2 2 get cancels each other, 2 1s are 2 45s are. Okay. So the equation will be 2n square minus 1n minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay. So this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this equation in the form of this. So we need to factorize it. We need to factorize this whole equation. So before factorizing, what we need to do? We need to multiply the first and the last term. We need to multiply first and the last term. So it will be 45 into 2. So 45 into 2 is 90. Next what we have to do is we need to split the middle term. We need to split the middle term such that if we take 2 terms, the multiplication of the 2 terms should be 90 and the addition and subtraction of the 2 terms should be minus 1n. Okay. For that we need to take LCM of this. 2 45s are, 3 1s are, 3 5s are, and 3 5s are 15. Next we need to group it in a form so that we get this middle term and this 90. Okay. See here, 3 3s are 9, 5 into 2 is 10. That is 10 into 9. So what is 10 nines are 90. So we get this. What is minus 10 and plus 9? So minus 10 and plus 9 is minus 1. So the two numbers are 10 and 9. Okay. By factorization, what we have to do is the first and the last term we should retain as it is. So write 2n square and minus 45 as it is. So instead of this minus 1n, we need to write minus 10n plus 9n. Okay. So minus 10n plus 9n. So why we are writing minus 10n? Here the middle term is minus 1. So the larger number should be in the minus sign. Okay. So after doing this, you need to take the common from first and the last two terms. In the first two terms, the common number is 2 and n. Okay. So when we take 2n as common, the remaining will be n minus 2 5s are 10. So write 5 here. Next, in these two numbers, the common term is 9 because 9 5s are 45. So take plus 9 as common. So plus 9 is common here. So remaining will be n minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So here n minus 5 is common. So write n minus 5 into the remaining term will be 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. So you got two equations separately. So separate this two equation and equate it to 0. That is n minus 5 is equal to 0. So when I shift minus 5 to this right hand side, it will become n is equal to 5. So here 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. 2n is equal to minus 9 and n is equal to minus 9 by 2. Since n value, the number of terms value will never be negative, so this answer will be rejected. So n is equal to 5 is considered as the answer for number of terms. Okay. So we got the value for n, but we need to find out Tn here. So put down Tn formula. Okay. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right. So here n is 5. So write T5 is equal to, so the value for a is 2, n is 5, 5 minus 1 and d is 8. Okay. So next T5 is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1, 4 into 8. So T5 is equal to 2 plus 8 4s are 32. So 32 plus 2 is 34. Okay. So the value for n is 5 and the value for Tn or T5 is 34. I hope you understood this. In the factorization section, you need to be careful during this factorization section, because if we take minus or plus interchange, the whole answer will get wrong. Okay. Moving on to the seventh problem of this session. So here the first term a is given as 8, Tn is equal to 62, Sn is 210. We need to find number of terms n and common difference d. Okay. So here in the introductory part, there is, I have told you there is one more formula for Sn, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus Tn, that is a plus L or a plus Tn. So note this point, L is last term which is also equal to Tn. Okay, L and Tn are both equal to each other. Okay, so this is a formula. Why I am using this formula here? In order to simplify this problem, else it will become a little longer. Okay, so using this formula will be little easier for you to find out n and d. Okay, here Sn is given as 210. So write 210. N we need to find out. So write as it is. Next is a is 8 plus Tn is 62. Okay, so 210 is equal to n by 2 into, so 62 plus 8 is 70. Okay, next divide it, 2 ones are 2, 30 5s are. So in the next step, 210 is equal to n into 35. So when we shift 35 to this side, it will become 210 divided by 35 is equal to n. So divided by 5, 5 7s are, 5 4s are 20, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so it is 42 by 7 is equal to n. 7 1s are, 7 6 are 42, So here the n value will be 6. Okay. So after getting n, we need to find out d, so that we can apply one more formula, that is Tn formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here Tn is 62. So 62 is equal to a is 8. 8 plus n is 6. 6 minus 1 into d, write as it is. So in the next step, you can write 62 is equal to 8 plus 6 minus 1 is 5d. So take this 8 to left hand side. It will become 62 minus 8 is equal to 5d. So 62 minus 8 is 12 minus 8 will be 4. This is 54 is equal to 5d. So when we take this left hand side, it will become 54 by 5. We can't divide 54 by 5. Therefore, keep as it is. So the value for d is 54.5 and the value for n is 6. Okay, I will teach you one more alternate method to use both the formulas of it. If in case in board exam, if this formula is not came to your mind suddenly. Okay, so I will do alternate method also. So alternate method is, you write both the formulas. First one is Tn formula. Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn here given as 62. 62 is equal to a is 8. 8 plus n minus 1 into d. Here I am shifting this 8 to left hand side. So 62 minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 into d. Okay. So 62 minus 8 is 54 is equal to n minus 1 into d. So let this be equation number 1. Okay. Next, since they have given Sn here, write down Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So the value for Sn is 210 is equal to n by 2, 2 into a is 8 plus, from equation 1 you can notice here n minus 1 into d is 54. So we can substitute 54 in the place of n minus 1 into d. Okay, substitute it. So next you will get 210 is equal to n by 2. So a 2 is 16 plus 54. Okay, so 210 is equal to n by 2 into 54 plus 16 is 70. So here next divide it. 2 ones are 2, 35s are. So the remaining will be 210 is equal to n into 35. So when we shift this 35 to left hand side, it will become division form. So 210 divided by 35. So same as this, 210 divided by 35. So n will be 6. So n is equal to 6. So next what we have to do is we need to equate n is equal to 6 to equation 1. Okay, so the equation 1 is 54 is equal to n minus 1 into d. Okay, so 54 is equal to 6 minus 1 into d. So 54 is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5d. Again when you shift this side, it will become 54 divided by 5 is equal to d. We can see here in both alternate method the answer are equal. Hope you understood this. Moving on to the 8th question of this session. Here Tn is given. Tn is 4, d is 2, Sn is minus 14. We need to find n and a. Okay. So first we need to write Tn formula here. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. The value of Tn is 4. So just substitute 4 in the place of Tn. A is not given, so write as it is. N is also not given. And d is 2. So 4 is equal to a plus 2n minus 2. So let it be an equation. We can take a is equal to, so I will be shifting these two terms to left hand side. So it will become 4 plus 2 minus 2n is equal to a. So 4 plus 2 is 6 minus 2n. So this will be the equation for first term A. Let it be equation number 1. Okay, A is equal to 6 minus 2n. So next, since Sn is given here, we can apply Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the value of Sn is minus 14. So substitute minus 14 in the place of Sn. So n write as it is. Next, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 2. Okay, since they have given a value, a is 6 minus 2n, we have already found out. So we can substitute 6 minus 2n in the place of a. Okay, so here we can cross multiply 14 into 2. So minus 14 into 2 is equal to n. 2 into, in the place of a, I am substituting 6 minus 2n. Next, plus 2 into n is 2n, minus 2 into 1 is 2. Right? So if here 14 2s are 28. Since minus is there, the minus has to be retained. N into, here we need to multiply 2 into whole this term. So 2 6 are 12, minus 2 2s are 4n. So plus 2n minus 2, right, as it is. So minus 28 is equal to n into, here 12 and 2 are just numbers. Here these two numbers have variable. So we have to group it, numbers with numbers and numbers with variables separately. Okay. So 12 minus 2 minus 4n plus 2n. So the numbers with variables has to be grouped separately and only numbers should be grouped separately. Okay. So minus 28 is equal to n. 12 minus 2 is 10. Minus 4n plus 2n is minus 2n. Okay. Next, 28 is equal to n into 10 is 10n minus n into 2n is 2n square. So now we should make this as an quadratic equation. So I am shifting this minus 2n square to left hand side. So it will become plus 2n square. Next, plus 10n to left hand side, it will become minus 10n. Then I am keeping that minus 28 there itself. So it will become minus 28 itself. 28 is equal to 0. Then we need to check whether each of these term is divisible by a single digit. So that is 2. So by 2 we can divide all these three numbers. So I am dividing it by 2. Okay. So divide by 2. So 2 1s are, 2 5s are and 2 14s are. Okay. So the remaining equation will be n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. So now we need to factorize this such that the first and the last term should be as it is, and we need to split the middle term so that when we add or subtract the two numbers, it should be minus 5n, and when we multiply it, it should be 14n square. Okay. The number is, see here, 14. When we multiply, it should be 14. So 7n, 14n square, 7n and 2n. Okay. 7n into 2n is 7 2s are 14. N into n is n square. Okay. And the sign which we need to take, here we should get minus 5n. So in order to get minus 5n, we need to put minus 7n plus 2n. So minus into plus is minus, 7n minus 2n is 5n, where the larger number has minus sign here. Okay. We need to write minus 7n plus 2n. Hope you understood how to split these numbers. Next, we need to group two terms separately and take out the common numbers. Okay. Here the common term is n. So I am taking n as common. So when I take n common, the remaining will be n minus 7. Here the common term is 2, since 14 is divisible by 2. So when I take 2 common, the remaining will be n minus 7. Okay. Next we need to separate the terms and equate it to 0. Right. So n minus 7 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 7. Next, n plus 2 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 2. Since number of terms n will not be negative, therefore this term is rejected. So n is equal to 7 is the answer for this. They have asked n to find out n and also a. So now we need to find out a. So that I have to substitute this n value into equation 1. Okay. So equation 1 is 6 minus 2n is equal to a. So 6 minus 2 into, in the place of n I need to substitute 7. So 6 minus 7 2s are 14. So 14 minus 6 is minus 8. Okay. So a is equal to minus 8. Okay. So we got the value for n. N is equal to 7 and a is equal to minus 8. Hope you understood this. Moving on to the ninth question of exercise 1.3. Okay, here a is given, the first term is 3, n is 8 and Sn or S is given, that is 192. We need to find the common difference. Okay, since S is given, we need to write Sn formula itself. So Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so here S and Sn is one and the same. So S is 192, that is 192 is equal to n value is 8. So 8 by 2 into a value is 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d we need to find out. So 192 is equal to, here 2 4s are 8 into 2 3s are 6 plus 8 minus 1 is 7d. So next I will shift this 4 to left hand side. So this is into here. So when I shift this multiplication to left hand side, it will become division. So 192 divided by 4 is equal to 6 plus 7d. So here 4 4s are 16, 3 carry, 4 8s are 32. Okay. So the quotient is 32 here. So 48 is equal to 6 plus 7d. In the next step, I will shift 6 to left hand side. So it will become 48 minus 6 is equal to 7d. So 48 minus 6 is 42 is equal to 7d. So this is multiplication. So if I shift it, it will become division form. So 42 divided by 7 is equal to d. So 7 1s are 7 6 are 42. So the common difference is 6. So this is an important problem. Hope you understood this. Moving on to the last question of this session. The last question is L is equal to 28. L is the last term which is also equal to Tn or L. Okay. L is equal to 28. S is Sn. S is equal to 144 and there are total of 9 terms, that is n is equal to 9. So we need to find first term A. Okay. So here L is given, that is L is also equal to Tn, that is last term, that is 28. Next S is nothing but Sn is equal to 144 and they have given total of 9 terms, that is n is equal to 9. We need to find out A. Okay. So we know there is a formula for Sn, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L or A plus Tn, that is the last term. Okay, we can use this formula, so that they have given this L directly, we can use this formula. Okay, Sn is equal to 144 is equal to n is 9 by 2 into A we need to find out plus L is 28. Okay, next I will shift this n by 2 to left hand side. So it will become division n by 2 is equal to A plus 28. So now I will take this as reciprocal. So it will become 144 into 2 by 9. So when I take reciprocal, the 2 will shift to the numerator. So it will become 2 by 9 is equal to 1 plus 28. So here 9 ones are 9, 5 carry. So 54, it will become 9 6 are 54. So remaining is 16 into 2 is equal to a plus 28. So 16 2s are 32 is equal to a plus 28. Next, by shifting 28 to left hand side, it will become 32 minus 28 is equal to a. So the value for first term a is 32 minus 28, 4. Okay, so 4 is the answer for first term. So this is the last question of exercise 1.3 third main. In third main there were 10 sub questions and this is the last question. Hope you understood this session. So out of this, at least 1 or 2 may appear, one of the question for 2 marks. Okay, so hope you understood this well. If you have any queries or doubts, please comment me in the comment section below so that I can understand how I can improve the video even more clearly so that you can understand the maths concept even well. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot.